Take a ride in the 2018 Express Cargo. The Chevy Express Cargo van is ready to handle all of your work tools, carpooling to work, or running the kids to soccer. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, backup camera. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.